Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we'll talk about 5 YouTube marketing strategies. In number 1, create high quality engaging content. Focus on delivering valuable, entertaining and well edited content that resonates with your target audience to keep them engaged. In number 2, optimize video title, descriptions and tags. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to improve discoverability and rank higher in search results. In number 3, design eye-catching thumbnails. Use custom thumbnails with bold text and vibrant visuals to increase click-through rates and attract more viewers. In number 4, post consistently and stick to a schedule. Maintain a regular posting schedule to build trust and keep your audience coming back for more. In number 5, leverage YouTube Shorts. Use short, engaging videos to reach a broader audience and boost your channel's visibility. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.